Hello once again, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to bring you a tutorial on how to jailbreak iOS 16.5. Yes, you heard that correctly. iOS 16.5 jailbreak is already available. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how you can jailbreak your device. I've already done it myself, and now I have Cydia on my device, which is only accessible with a jailbroken device. Firstly, let me demonstrate that I am currently on iOS 16.5 version. Let's wait for it to load, and here it is. As you can see, I'm up to date with the newest version. To get started, we need to make a few adjustments in your iPhone settings to ensure a smooth installation. Don't worry, it's a simple process, and I'll guide you through each step. Begin by opening your iPhone settings and navigating to the General tab. Here, we want to ensure that the Background App Refresh option is enabled. This feature allows apps to update their content in the background, providing you with the latest updates and a seamless experience. Toggle it on and choose whether you prefer it to work on Wi-Fi only or both Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, let's head over to the battery settings. It's important to verify that your iPhone is not in low power mode, as it can impact app performance. If it's enabled, simply toggle it off to ensure your device is ready for the jailbreak. Now on to the final step before we proceed to the last part. Open the App Store and check if automatic downloads is enabled. This setting ensures that Cydia will be automatically downloaded. With all the settings covered, it's time to jailbreak your iPhone. First, launch your preferred internet browser on your iPhone. Then visit the website JB Elite CC, a specialized website for iOS jailbreaks. Once you're on the site, locate the jailbreak button and tap on it. On the following page, click jailbreak again and confirm your decision. Please be patient as the entire process may take a few minutes to complete. Trust me, the wait will be worthwhile. After the jailbreaking process is successfully completed, you'll have Cydia installed on your iPhone, ready to explore and enjoy a wide range of apps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insightful videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.